All mass defects in the universe become ether. Hence all active stars, supernova explosions, neutron star collisions, black hole collisions, etc. act as large-scale sources of ether in the universe. In fact, these reactions and events pump large amounts of ether into space. This shows that space is filled with ether. This is truly groundbreaking, and it is of great importance in our understanding of the universe. When the particles collide with extreme kinetic energy, they completely disappear and become pure ether. This proves that ordinary matter is ultimately made of ether. Perhaps the ether is also made of something still smaller. This space-filling substance plays an important role in the microscopic and macroscopic world. A proton attracts the ether around it and creates a dense region around it, and when it gets an electron it becomes a complete hydrogen atom. Please see my book, Structure of the Atom. At the same time, due to gravity, every massive body creates a dense region of this matter around them. It provides new alternative explanations for all phenomena in the macroscopic universe that contradict Einstein's relativistic explanations. We know that high-energy gamma-ray photons can produce electron-positron pairs from the vicinity of a heavy atomic nucleus, a phenomenon called pair production. This shows that ether can be transformed into ordinary matter too. Ordinary matter is a compressed form of ether. In other words, ordinary matter contains a large amount of potential energy in the form of a compressed ether. This opens up many new possibilities. I believe that ordinary matter can be converted directly into ether without the generation of heat. This will create pure thrust. This kind of technology will revolutionize our power generation, propulsions, flying craft technology, etc. This substance probably plays an important role in the propagation of light, electric and magnetic fields, gravity, etc.